Well, Mark, what are we going to do today?
We're going to
start the old Timberwolf.
Yeah, give her some primage. 4 pumps. Got the old fancy starter there.
Oh yeah, decked. So we got to use the old full start.
Run.
Yep.
Get out of my way, Bears.
That is unfucking believable, like really.
Look at the exhaust. Get on the exhaust. It's amazing.
Is it ever? Fuck it. It hasn't been started all winter.
All winter.
It's been under ice all winter too. Oh, buddy, I think we got ourselves a very good motor. Very good motor. Top of the line. Just started right up.
That's awesome.
Yep. Very good.
Hang on, let me see this thing. I want to see if she's still working. Oh yeah, she's working. Dead battery and all.
Yep.
Hey?
Yep.